Today I will be reviewing this website called Ads2Cash. As you can see right here, let me scroll right here, 4.8 out of 5 ratings by users. They got a really big number. Put cash in your wallet during free time. Get paid to invite friends and watch ads from brands you care about. Your attention is valuable. Sign up for free and get $5 for free. They got app on Apple and also on Android. So guys, as I said guys, I will be reviewing this website. I do not know if this website is legit or not. This is my first time on this website as I'm recording this video. So I saw someone on Facebook talking about this website, so I decided to check it out. So as you can see, they got big brands right here. They got Twitch, TV, this one is for Apple, Bloomberg. They got really big brands right here, right? They say fast payout your way, right? So withdraw earnings securely with the method that fits you best. So right here, just know PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, bank transfer. So guys, so I'm quickly gonna create my account, and we just gonna see if this website is legit or not. So before I start, I just want to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now, and on my next video you'll get it. Shout out. So right here, so they say we're gonna make money by watching ads and also refer some friends and get bonus, right? So I'm quickly gonna create an account, right? So I just created my account. My link will be in the description. If you also want to test this out with me, check my first link in the description. But do not forget, as I said, we am testing this website. I'm not saying this website is legit. So as you can see right here, they say claim a bonus, right? Invite friends to multiply your bonus. You earn $5 per sign up. This is crazy. $5 per sign up. This is big. Come on guys, $5 per sign up. So right here you can see quick actions right here. Watch videos, view ads, offers and apps, refer and earn guys. So as you can see, we can make money by doing all of this, right? So if I try to watch videos, it's gonna take me a lot of time to do that, right? So as you can see right here, progress to cash out, right? 5%. So the minimum is $100 to cash out, right? The minimum is $100 to cash out. So if you click on ads, right, you can watch ads and you earn $1.69, right? Open for 30 seconds, right? So more ads, right? You just have to scroll down right here. You can see, right? You can see how much you're gonna earn just for watching these ads for 30 seconds, right? If I click on videos right here, let's check out on videos right here. On videos, I think like the same thing, right? 30 seconds you earn $0.20. 30 seconds and $0.58, more and more guys. So if I click right here on cash out, so as they said, they got this method, right, you can use guys. So they said it's fast, free, right? They said this is fast and free, right? So I was just doing some more research on this website, and being honest with you guys, I do not think this website is legit, right? I do not think this website is legit. I also went to to Trustpilot to check out 3.5 ratings, right? So as you can see right here, review summary, right, based on reviews created with AI. Most reviewers were somewhat happy with their experience overall, right? So as you can see right here, several reviewers initially had doubts, with some even suspecting it to be a scam, right? So as you can see right there, this is what people been saying. So this person was just trying to to contact them. So this one right there said, hello team, kindly approve my second withdrawal, right? So of just $3.4. I do not know why, because this on the website they said the minimum cash out is $100. So you can see where it can read more, guys. But the first red flag that I believe like that made me to think like, no, this website is not legit. This website, this scam is minimum of $100. Like minimum of $100, guys, is crazy. That is very big. I mean, if you're gonna earn like dollars, like $1, why minimum is so high like this? And even it doesn't make sense, guys. It doesn't make sense. You cannot watch an ad and earn $1. That is crazy. There's no legit website like that will offer you $1, at least $1 to watch it. That is crazy, guys. You know, like I saw some big red flags, guys. I don't think this website is legit. And also, as I was also doing some more research, I also saw someone saying like, oh man, they blocked my account. But so guys, I do not think this website is legit. So if you withdraw and you got your money from this website, please just comment down below and let us know. And also, if you've been using this website, just comment down there and let us know, guys. Overall, no guys, this is not legit. There's no way you can earn $1 for just watching 30-second ads. That is crazy, guys. So if you want legit website of making money online, please check out my other videos. And if you want to make money by just watching videos, check out this video right here.